Hello guys, this is what I got. Upcrate 43 box. And I was really curious what did I get in it. And here you go. We get this googly eyes by mistake. We got this oil color one from Van Gogh. This yellow, but they said that it was supposed to be acrylic, not oil. So we get two acrylics, orangey, and one is blue. And then we got these few sheets of paper, one brush, or obviously it is acrylic brush. I will try to paint with this brush. We get two glitter and we get oil pastels. It is very beautiful. We didn't get any pencil, so I use my old pencil. And we get this from Iris Impressionist Art. Here it is. What did I make? A little sketch, but then I see that these googly eyes are not small enough, so I just a little bit make this eyes bigger. So this is a little cute dog and cat I found on the internet, PNG image. I'm not giving up from this soil. I want to try, can we mix this with acrylics? So here it is, this beautiful oil paint, and probably we will mix also these two together, and I will do this with that, so it is not really impossible to mix. And then we will try to mix these two, maybe more of this yellow, and we did get some shade of lighter color, and then these two. So our doggy have this brownish color around here. Our cat have same shades all around his whole body, but a little bit lighter. Now we need to leave this to dry, but first I want to add for the doggy also the same colors on his ears here. We now need to leave this to dry. Well, we will see how is that came up. So now we using this oil pastel all around our doggy and kitty. We will put this black. And now we need somehow to show the fur, and fur we will show with this, and somehow like this. They are super cute. And now I will take this little stick and I will try to smudge a bit. So on that way we did add a bit of texture to our pets. So that is that. Now we need white for the little cute eyebrows for this doggy. So that is, look at my hand. Maybe I will put a bit of white jelly pearl. And a little bit more shadows here, maybe. And now we get these eyes, and I don't know, should I put this? Because, oh my god. 1 and 2 here for doggy. Okay, and 1 and 2 for kitty. And now we have our googly eyes. Kitty and doggy. That is all from me today. I think it's cute. They're funny. So we can take this down now. So you can tell that I'm using painter's tape, not really artist tape, and it is a little too heavy on my paper, but never mind, they're super cute. And with all what I got, I think that is that. And oh my god, we didn't use this, but never mind, we can put some here. Oh my god, glitter all over the place. And we can put some here. And then simply I couldn't force myself to use these googly eyes, so I was make some changes on their faces to give them little eyes, and I think they are cute now. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in next one. Bye.